For profitable Amazon KDP keywords that will help you create profitable Amazon KDP books. I'm going to go tell you step by step on how to do this. So if you're new here on the channel, we do daily videos talking about Amazon profitable keywords for KDP, as well as passive income streams to make money online using Redbubble and other print-on-demand stores and writing on Medium and Vocal Media. So let's get started on the first keyword for the day. And just before we get started, I'd like to remind you that in the description box below, you can find 2 free trials. 30-day free trial to all access to Creative Fabrica, which allows you to access KDP interiors, graphics to create your books, your covers, your interiors in, as well as KDP keywords that are analyzed for profitability. So go ahead and take advantage of the 30-day free trial for Creative Fabrica. Also, you can find the 30-day free trial for Canva Pro linked in the description box below. Let's get started with the first keyword for today's video. And the first keyword for today's video is an updated one. It is a very profitable keyword. We've got all the profitability metrics indicating that this is a great keyword to embark on. And now that as of publishing today's video, it is the 16th of August. This is set to be published in the next upcoming couple of days. And now is the perfect time to create 2024 niches. So the first keyword is 2024 vision board book for Black woman. And it has a keyword niche score given by self-publishing titans of 63, which is amazing. We have the green light ready to go by self-publishing titans, as well as a number 9. This is the highest that you can get in terms of the keyword strength on given by Amazon Scout Pro free Chrome extension, which gives us a number 9 and categorizes this keyword as a great niche. Also, we have the total results under 1,000, which is ideal, and the total results are 392. The average bestseller rank is around that 300,000 mark, and it's sitting at an average of 322,873. The average reviews of 58 and the average price is $13.06. There is so many ways you can be able to invest your time and your energy in creating books on the vision board book for Black women. You can be creative with the interiors, you can be creative on the covers as well. If you are using Creative Fabrica or any other platform that allows you to access commercial graphics, then this could be a great opportunity for you to use graphics specifically for Black women, empowering Black women. A vision board book would be ideal for this niche as well, which is what you are required to do, and it is specifically for 2024. Now, one thing to note that you can go ahead and create a vision board book for Black women and not insert 2024 in either the title or the subtitle if you want your vision board book to sell all year round, the upcoming years as well, because if you do insert 2024 in either the title or the subtitle, it cannot be changed. It will only be relevant for 2024. And yes, there might be people that purchase it in the upcoming years, but it'll give that impression of like it's out of date. So please do not mention 2024 in your title or in your subtitle. If you want, you can mention it on the cover, you can mention it on the interior, you can mention it on the description as well, the product description, because all that can be changed. After 2024, you can go in there in the KDP dashboard, change it, update the cover, update the interior to match the 2025, insert 2025 in there to keep it always relevant and always updated. But then again, this is your choice. This is how I would like to approach this keyword as well. So there are a couple of interiors that we are going to have a look at, and just for the sake of this video, I'm going to go ahead and copy this and do the quick research with you on Creative Fabrica. And we are going to copy and paste vision board book and see what kind of interiors are available for us. Now then again, if you do not have an active subscription, highly recommended you take advantage of the 30-day free trial linked in the description box below. And we're going to go ahead and filter according to KDP interiors in the category section, and we are left with 331 results for the keyword vision board book. Now, it's not specifically for Black women. You can go ahead and customize it. You can go ahead and insert some Black empowering quotes as well. You can go ahead and add in some little mini graphics here and there, a border, changing the font, adding beautiful, design in there as well. But what you can use from the interiors available on Creative Fabrica is you could be able to have an actual template to work on. It will make it so much easier for you, and I've been using this method since 2019. It works amazing. A lot of other creators use this method as well. So this one is more of a 2024 to 2025. This is a monthly planner, but you can copy this. You can go ahead and download this interior and download a second vision board interior and use the template for the 2024 to 2025. Use, for example, the monthly template, have a vision board in there for a monthly vision board if you want, or you can have a yearly vision board. You can have a weekly one, up to you. And also some extra tips in order to add in some extra value for your book is don't make it just like a vision board book. Have in some strategies, some actual content in there to help the customer on how to create a vision board, what kind of things to add to a vision board, what kind of words, empowering words to use in the vision board, maybe some manifestation like quotes or affirmations or anything like that for love, success, money, these kind of things, all add in value as well as make it visually appealing as well. Now, because you're creating for Black women, it would also be wise to go ahead and write Black woman in there, and you're going to be handed these beautiful, amazing, realistic clip art on Black women. There's this Black woman back to school, which you're not going to use. This is more for children related. These ones you can use the graphics, change them around as part of your cover in there as well. There's also going to be some little graphics as well that you can go ahead and use in your interiors. So maybe add in this one, for example, make it small and it's part of one of the pages, and next to it you'd have a little fancy box with the affirmation for the week or the affirmation for the month to do with that, kind of to help bring the vision board into life and make that kind of more powerful and more appealing as well. So there's a lot of ways to go about this, and I really love the graphics available here at Creative Fabrica, so I just wanted to take the opportunity to share it with you. Embark on this beautiful keyword right here, 2024 vision board book for a Black woman. Now let's head over to the second keyword for the day, and the second keyword is also to do with vision board, and vision board is very hot nowadays. It's really important to take advantage of this beautiful diverse niche. This one's a 2024 vision board clip art book for women, and we have a keyword niche score of 55, which is nice, by Self-Publishing Titans, and also a keyword niche score of number 6 by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, categorizing this as a nice niche, and it beautifully complements the keyword niche score given by Self-Publishing Titans. Then again, let's head over to the total results. We have the total results under 1,000, which is ideal, and the total results are 166. The average bestseller rank is 408,282, which falls between the 300 to 400,000 mark, where we would like it to be in. The average reviews is 7, and the average price is $15.03. What you're doing is you're creating an actual vision board clip art that is relevant to 2024. Then again, the same information that I said about the first keyword about the year number applies to this one as well, so use it as you wish. But this one you're creating specifically focusing on the clip art, on the things, on the pictures, on the quotes that can be used to cut and paste into the actual vision board, into the big kind of poster size vision board if you want. So insert as much clip art that you find relevant. You could also find it on Creative Fabrica. You can go ahead and create it using Canva Pro, for example, or a free Canva account. Create your own visual art, clip art that has to do with vision board. For example, if you were to create a vision board, if you know someone that is into that whole manifestation, affirmation kind of field and creates their own vision board, then ask them for advice. Maybe see what you would add to your own vision board. If you're not really into these things, it would also be wise to watch a YouTube video or two, short one, on how to create a vision board. That would really allow you to dive into the minds of the people who are interested in that kind of thing, and find out what kind of things they're interested in, find out what kind of clip art they're more keen to add into their vision board. Also, another thing is vision board clip art. Let's see if we can find anything right here that allows us to customize. So just search vision board clip art, and I found this beautiful one right here, vision board clip art book for a Black woman, and this is a printable is also a Canva edited one. This one is also amazing. It contains some keywords that are relevant to the visual art vision board clip art book. Or this one's a keyword one, but we're really looking for the actual clip art. So let's head over and look at the first two results that we are just opening up right now. And this one's available for free, so you can go ahead and download that. And it contains some keywords that are relevant, 45 keywords. But we're really looking for the clip art right here. So this one is a clip art version. It includes some clip art, 42 pages. So it's also available free for you to download, or you can take advantage of the free trial and download as many clip art as you want. Also on Canva Pro, there is some motivational text, motivational art graphics that you can go ahead and use, but always remember to customize. Never ever copy and paste and use as is. So this was the second keyword for the day. Let's have a look at the third keyword, and yes, it has something to do with vision board clip art, and it is relevant for 2024, which makes it really hot nowadays, and all the profitability metrics indicate that this is a good keyword to share with you in today's video. The keyword is 2024 vision board clip art book. Design your dream year, and it has a keyword niche score of 39 by Sap Publishing Titans and a keyword niche score of number 7 by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, which categorizes this keyword as a nice niche. Now coming to the total results, we have the total results under 1,000, which sits at a super low 33. Absolutely beautiful. The average bestseller rank is under 300,000, and it's sitting at 260,030, indicating that books are still selling, even though we're not in 2023 or anywhere near 2023 in terms of 2 or 3 months before that. Yet people are still investing the time, the energy, the money to purchase 2024 vision board clip art and have it ready to go as gifts, maybe for themselves, maybe for their friends, maybe for their children. Also, the average reviews are 332, and the average price is $15.19. And we've got some really good ones over here. This one, for example, it is a 2024 vision board clip art book, and it has 500 plus powerful images, words, phrases, and more. So in terms of these kind of niches, it's really important to also have the quality. Yes, quality is always important, but quantity also plays a role. People want to get the value for what they spend. Have as much quotes in there, as much clip art in there as possible. Make it intensive, make it strong, make it comprehensive, make some strategies in there, weave in some strategies, weave in some affirmations, introduce them in your book. So it wouldn't be some just regular normal vision board clip art book where it has some clip arts in there. It would be the book that would be marketed. All you want in order to create a vision board clip art, the comprehensive vision board clip art book, where it's like you give that impression, and of course you fulfill that promise that this is all they need to get started creating a powerful vision board clip art in there. So it'll stand out among the competition. This one's more of, they've broken it down to the travel sections, the workout sections, fitness, personal life, these kind of things. You can be as creative as possible. This one has 800 elements in there, so be mindful. Also, it's important to create a large print so you can have a lot of space for adding clip art, for the clip art to be really good quality as well, and also having some space for the customer to cut out and paste in whatever they want. So have it at 8.5 times 11 inches, which would be a large print. Now let's head over to the last keyword for the day, and yes, it is a vision board clip art. Then again, all 4 keywords are about the vision board clip art niche, and it is a 2024 travel vision board clip art book. And this one's more specific. Yes, it is about 2024. Yes, it is a vision board clip art, but it's more specific to travel. So in the previous 3 keywords, you can go ahead and add in sections to do with making a vision board about personal life, about travel, about family, about career, about money, about love. This one's more specific about travel. So this really helps us, because we are going to create a clip art book to do with designing a vision board, but introduce as much affirmations, phrases, quotes, images to do with travel, anything that empowers people to manifest their travel plans. Maybe from the top landmarks, images from the top landmarks that are commercial free. You can get them on Pixel, you can get them on Canva as well. Having some affirmations and quotes to make it possible to manifest travel plans as well. So we've got the total results under 1,000 and the total results are 45, and the average bestseller rank is under 300,000, which is ideal, and it sits at 245,065. The average reviews are 131 and the average price is $15.13. Also, we've got a keyword niche score of 44, which beautifully complements the keyword niche score given by Amazon Scout Pro, which is a number 8, categorizing this as a nice niche. We've talked about the 4 profitable keywords for today's video. Let's just summarize quickly. The first keyword was 2024 vision board book for a Black woman, and it has a keyword niche score of 63, and this is the most profitable out of all the 4 keywords that we've discussed in today's video. The second one is 2024 vision board clip art for women, and it has a keyword niche score of 55. The third is 2024 vision board clip art design your dream year, and finally we have 2024 travel vision board clip art book, and it has a keyword niche score of 44. I wish you all the best in creating your vision board clip art books, and if you need any help, let me know in the comment section below. I'd love to help you. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.